Hey guys, here with the new 2026 Toyota Prius, and I'm going to show you how to jump start it, where the jump points are, and how to safely jump start your Toyota Prius. Thing you want to do is open up your driver's side door. Down here under the dash there's going to be a little lever. Pull that will pop the hood. Then you can come around here to the front. There will be a secondary latch that you'll need to pull, or push rather. Pop the hood. Take your little hood prop rod, set it down here into the little provision provided in the front of the vehicle behind the passenger side headlight. This is your secondary latch that you got to lift up to release the hood. Now that you got the hood open, see what looks like a lot of alien technology, right? And you're going to wonder, well, where the hell do I jump start this thing at? Well, never anything over here, never hook to anything over here. What you want to do is find your relay and fuse panel lid and lift that up. Just push these little tabs that will lift the lid off of it, and then set that over here. And now you can see all your fuses and relays right here directly in the middle. There's going to be a red plastic tab with a plus on it. That is your positive connection for the battery to be jumped at. So you would just take this and lift it out of the way, which would expose the metal right here to put your red jumper cable on. Your black jumper cable will go down here to this ground stud right there. That bare metal wire, or bolt rather, that's sticking out right there, that is going to be your ground connection for this vehicle. You can also ground to the engine head right here if your cables are long enough. That is another good ground for these Priuses. Start this vehicle from another vehicle using jumper cables, but I would highly recommend using a jump box like the Noco Boost Pro GB150 here. It's just a lot safer, especially for these hybrids. Make sure your box is off when you connect everything, or your other vehicle you're jumping from is off. Always connect your ground first, and then your positive. Okay, there is your negative connection down there, and your positive connection will be here at the top, like so. Then you can turn your box on and start the vehicle. Of course, this car is brand new, and it does not need a jump start. But in an effort to get ahead of these videos, I figured I would come directly to the dealership and make the video, so that way in a couple of years when these things have dead batteries, people will know how to start them. Just get inside, put your foot on the brake, push the button. It should start up. It did. And then hit the gas pedal to rev up the gas engine to make sure it's on. And that's it. After the vehicle starts, always disconnect your negative first, and then your positive. Plastic cover cap back over, and put your lid back on. Pete, never take your cables and hook them up randomly to spots under the hood. That could cause serious damage, thousands of dollars in repairs. You don't want to go down that road, so always use the factory jump points provided. So on these Toyota Priuses, a lot of them do not come with spare tires, so just be aware of that. Also, you're going to open this up and you're going to get a little thing, a fix-a-flat and an air pump. So if you desire having a spare, you might want to buy one ahead of time. Show you also in this video where the factory battery for the 12-volt system for the gas is at. It's back here. Just stick your hand in that, pull it up, and there is your battery for the 12-volt system, not for the electric part. So do not jump start the vehicle directly from the battery. Use the jump points under the hood. All right, guys and girls, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing to the channel. That really helps me out. Also, drop me a comment and a thumbs up, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.